Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. My name is Sahil and I love sandwiches and I also love a good pepperoni pizza. And today we're going to merge my love for sandwiches and pizza together and we are going to create a pizza sandwich or a pizza grilled cheese as I like to call it. And we're basically going to make one sandwich with pizza on the inside and the other one with pizza on the outside. And it's going to be delicious. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking.
The first thing I will do is take a couple of fresh basil leaves and place them one on top of the other. Then I will slowly roll them like a cigar and then chop them. I learned this technique from watching Gordon Ramsay, and just let the knife do the work and then your basil is chopped and ready and you have these lovely like basil strands. Next, I get a non-stick pan on the stove on a low heat and add in some pepperoni. And now you just want to cook the pepperoni till it gets nice and crispy. You might notice that I added no oil to the pan, and that's because the pepperoni has a lot of fat that will render out and that will fry the pepperoni. Basically, the pepperoni fries in its own fat. Just look at it frying away. It's a sight to behold. And the smells, oh the smells, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. Anyway, once your pepperoni is done, remove it from the pan and set it on a plate with a paper towel that will absorb any of the excess oil. Then you just want to stack up those pepperoni and chop it down into nice bite-sized pieces. And your pepperoni is prepped and ready to use. In a mixing bowl, I add 50 grams of cream cheese. I season it with some dried oregano and some red chili flakes. I then give it a good mix to make a seasoned cream cheese. Then in goes my pizza cheese aka shredded mozzarella, followed by my crispy pepperoni and then my chopped fresh basil. Now just give it the Headbangers Kitchen good mix so that everything is well combined. This is the cheesy pizza filling for our sandwich. So once it's all well mixed, set it aside. No pizza is complete without a pizza sauce, and I'm just using a store-bought sauce, and this is a brand that I really like. It's tasty, it has good ingredients, and it's perfect for this sandwich. But if you want to make your own sauce at home from scratch, that's fine. I've got a great recipe for a marinara sauce which you can get by clicking on the I button. To assemble our sandwich, I'm going to get some plain old white bread. You can use any bread you like. And I'm going to spread on that marinara sauce and make sure you spread it from end to end. But at the same time, don't dump on so much sauce that you soak the bread. You gotta get this just right. Then on goes our filling onto one slice of the bread, and once again you gotta make sure it covers end to end of the bread slice, and then put the other slice on top, and now it's time to grill this sandwich. We're going to use the same pan in which I fried the pepperoni, and you'll see all that delicious pepperoni oil in the pan. So get the pan on a low heat, add in the sandwich and then just mop up all those pepperoni oils with the bread. Oh yes, slide that sandwich baby and soak up all that pepperoni goodness. Now we're going to butter the other side of the bread and then just cover it and let it cook on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes till the bread is crispy. The time has come to flip our sandwich, so pop that lid off and flip over that bad boy. And would you look at that crispy crust on the bread cooked in those pepperoni juices? It's all flavor, baby. And you can see that the cheese is melting from the sides as well and it's oozing out. And just let the other side cook now, and once that's done and you've gotten a beautiful crispy exterior, you can take it off the heat. And damn son, that is one fine looking sandwich. Cut that sandwich now and remember to do it diagonally so you get like a triangle shape. And oh, come to daddy, that is one cheesy delicious looking sandwich. Look at that ooey gooey cheese. And that's it. Our regular pizza grilled cheese is ready. But we are not done yet. It's time to make our inside out pizza sandwich, and for that we've got our bread, spread on that marinara sauce edge to edge, then the filling, then slap on that bread,
Now we butter the top side of the bread and our sandwich is ready to go. Now place that sandwich in the pan, butter side down, and we cover it and let it cook till the bread is toasted. Open up that lid, flip that sandwich over, and behold the golden toasted exterior. Ooh yeah! Let the unbuttered side of the bread cook now and get toasted. And after a few minutes, just flip it, check it, and now that ours is lovely and toasted, let's get it out of the pan. This, my friends, is where the magic happens. Slather that pizza sauce on the non-buttered side of the toasted bread and make sure it's end to end. Then you want to add some of our pizza cheese and finally top it with some more pepperoni. And now you just want to chuck this under the broiler in your oven till it's all melted and browned. But I'm not going to do that. I just bought myself one of these creme brulee butane torches that I'm going to use. And now I cook that cheese and pepperoni with the fire. And it will all melt and that pepperoni will cook and get a nice char on it and the cheese will brown and melt. And when it's done, it's done. Folks, our inside out grilled cheese is ready and that is a thing of beauty. I will just finish it with a bit of pizza seasoning for a little extra kick. Now sit back, relax, enjoy the beauty of this gorgeous inside out pizza grilled cheese. It's food porn for the soul. I can tell you now that it's going to be delicious. But why speculate? Enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste our pizza sandwich and look who is joining me on today's episode. It's my brother Shom. He lives 5 minutes from my house. That's why he's here today and he's also here because he loves pizza. As a kid, he just ate, if you gave him pizza every day, he'd eat pizza.
I still do that. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So do you want to taste?
Yeah, so what are we doing? There's two different...
So yes, they're both a pizza grilled cheese.
Right.
And one of them has a pizza on the outside as well.
Okay.
I guess you could call it an inside out pizza grilled cheese.
Okay, so I'm going with the...
We'll go with the
The inside in.
the plain one.
Yeah.
The regular.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow. It's like happiness on a plate.
I love it.
Well, actually it tastes exactly like a pizza. Just,
Yeah.
I mean, of course there's 2 layers of bread, but...
But it feels like extra cheese pizza because that cream cheese has given it a lovely creaminess.
Yeah, there's more than one cheese in this.
Yeah, there's cream cheese to make it creamier.
Right.
And there's basil, fresh basil and salty pepperoni.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a happy heart attack on a plate.
Amazing. Anyway, I guess we can dig into the...
Oh, sorry, I forgot one. Yeah.
No, you can keep eating if you want. But let's taste the other one. I can't eat this more than once in a year. Do you have anything to say?
I'm trying to figure out the difference between the two. Because this tastes just as good. What I like about it is the pepperoni on the top is a bit crunchy.
Yeah. So I
Because
charred it with a blowtorch.
Wow. That makes a big difference though.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I mean, either one will kill you. I don't think it's...
I don't think any of them will kill you if you don't eat it every single day.
Yeah, but if it's easy to make, it's going to be very difficult to not, keep...
Never mind, we'll get into these debates later, but which one do you prefer or do you don't care? Both are equally
No, I'd give like 1 point extra to this just for that charred pepperoni on the top. I think it's making a big difference.
Yeah, this one for me too because it feels even more like a pizza because it's got the sauce on the outside as well as more pepperoni, more cheese and more pizza goodness.
It looks like a pizza too.
Anyway, I think that's been enough jibber jabber from the two of us. My brother has given the pizza sandwich the horns up and I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. Hey guys, now I made this sandwich with pepperoni because that is my favorite pizza topping. But let me know in the comments below what is your favorite pizza topping because you can make this sandwich with whatever you like. So let me know what your favorite pizza toppings are.